Welcome to the Browsing Basics lesson. My name is Ashley. Today we're taking our first steps into the world of browsing the internet. Even if you've never searched online before, don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to perform a basic internet search with confidence. But first, let's talk about what browsing means. Browsing or searching the internet is basically like asking a giant library a question and getting a list of answers within moments. To start browsing, you need to choose a browser. A browser, which is short for web browser, is a software program you use to access and view websites on the internet. Popular browsers might include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari for Apple devices, or Microsoft Edge. Once you open your browser, you'll see a search bar. This is a box where you can type words to look things up on the internet. Type in your key words. These are words that tell the computer what you're trying to find. Then press enter to see the results. For example, if you're like me, you're always looking for a new and easy recipe to try. If you want to learn how to cook rice, you could type how to cook rice or easy rice recipe into the search bar. After typing, click the search icon, usually a little magnifying glass, and a list of results will appear. Click on one of the results to open a website. If you want to return to your search results, click the back arrow at the top of the screen. If a web page isn't loading properly, click the refresh button. It looks like a circular arrow and will reload the page. Want to look at more than one website at a time? Click the plus sign next to your current tab to open a new one. And that's the basics. Now, let's walk through this one step at a time. Step 1. I open my browser, in this case, Google Chrome. Step 2. At the top, I see the search bar. I'm going to type easy chicken recipes and press enter. Step 3. Now, look, lots of results appear, right? Each result has a short title, a description, and a web address called a URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator. This is the address you type into a web browser to visit a website or a specific page on the internet. Step 4, click on the link that looks most helpful. Step 5, if you want to go back to the list, click the back arrow at the top left of your browser. This should return us to the previous page with our original results. Step 6, if the page isn't loading right, we will click on that circular icon to refresh the page. And step 7, if I want to open a second website while keeping the first open, I click on the plus sign to create a new tab. Now it's your turn. Choose a topic that interests you, like best free online games or how to grow tomatoes. You can work on your own or with a group to practice browsing and finding useful information online. Use the checklist provided in your resources and practice these steps. Open a browser, type your keywords, click search, pick a result, go back, refresh, or open a new tab when needed. As you work, think about what keywords worked best. Was it easy to go back and forth between the pages? Did you notice anything interesting about the websites you visited? Now, you are ready to browse at your own pace. Hope you enjoy the search.